Here we go, Al. Rainy Lake, are you ready for this?
Yeah.
November what, 9th?
No.
No? 10th?
I don't know.
Everybody says no.
I can't know.
He can't know. Dave, you got enough gear on?
I'm not sure.
I'm not either. Here we go.
It's flipping cold. What is the date? It is the 9th. Friday the 9th.
Friday, November 9th. You never know when your last fishing trip of the year is going to be. This might be it. We're in search of anything big today, right, Al?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have no clue where we're going.
That's not surprising. Anyway, here we go. It's windy, it's cold, 4 or 5 inches of snow coming in the next 20 hours, and we're going fishing.
Big mouth, whatever it was.
Doing good, Al.
Oh, I see.
That's all right. I'll get him, Dave. Bring him right over here, Al.
Hold on.
I'm going to turn this camera off. Way to go. Let's get a look at him anyway. Cold, he says. I don't know about that.
No, just my hands.
Here, I'll hold on to that.
Nice fish. I'm going to land it. Here we are about, I don't know, 6-7 minutes since the last fish. Al's got a biggie going now, don't you, Al?
Yeah.
Keep it coming, man. Good job, good job.
Oh!
Yeah, that's a biggie. Slide it under that fish. Sorry for the camera work there. There it is. Woo! Nice. There's a Rainy Lake November pike.
Oh! Hold on, Al.
Big Al, that is a serious pike.